52. Most of us are familiar with King David, a man after God's own heart, someone with wild, undignified praise, an amazing king, a terrifying warrior. But David, as awesome as King David was, he was not a perfect person. While his troop was at war one day, he's on the rooftop and he sees a beautiful married woman, Bathsheba, and he takes her to be his wife after having her husband murdered. King David still doesn't see anything wrong with his actions. It takes the prophet Nathan to come to King David and tell him a parable, a story about a rich man with a lot of possessions who takes the only animal that a poor man has. And King David is so enraged, so infuriated, he says, "This man should die." And the prophet Nathan says, "You are this man." Then reality sets in, it hits David. I've done a terrible thing. But how on earth could a man after God's own heart not realize stealing someone's wife and having them murdered was a terrible thing beforehand? You see, Group 52, as people, we will always grade ourselves better than we deserve. Very rarely will we notice our worst flaws, and we're absolutely terrible at coming to terms with our weakest areas. There should be someone in your life that even if you think you're doing amazing, you're willing to trust their counsel if they say, "You made a mistake, friend. You can do better here." No, this cannot be the yes man, the yes woman in your life that always tells you you're perfect. You need someone who's going to give you the truth, someone who will be honest, someone who can rightly divide the word of truth, God's written word to us, and show you where you're deviating from the plan that He has for you. So, Group 52, if there's no one in your life that you trust to correct you when you believe that you are correct, check your friend circle again. Make sure you have a pastor you can talk to, a leader, an elder, someone in your life who can give you wise counsel, and have the best week of your life.